If your agents are staring at a macro list full of responses that have nothing to do with their job, that is not a minor annoyance. It's a workflow problem that causes wrong responses to reach real customers. In the next 2 minutes, you'll learn exactly how to restrict Zendesk macros so each team only sees what they actually need. The default setup in Zendesk makes every shared macro visible to every agent. That works fine for a team of 5, but as you add specialized groups like billing, technical support, or enterprise, the list becomes a minefield. Agents waste time scrolling past irrelevant templates, and the wrong response gets sent more often than you'd expect. Before you begin, confirm 2 things. You have administrator access to your Zendesk account, and you're on Suite Growth or Support Professional or higher. The team plan only supports all agents and personal macros. Group restrictions are simply not available on it. When you create or edit a macro, Zendesk gives you 3 visibility settings. All agents makes the macro universal, useful for responses that any agent might need. Agents in group limits visibility to specific teams only. And Me Only creates a personal macro only the creator can see. This guide focuses entirely on the middle option. From the macros management page, you can filter the entire list by the Available For column. This lets you audit exactly what each group currently has access to, a useful first step before you start making changes or setting up restrictions for the first time. To get started, open Admin Center and click Workspaces in the left sidebar. From there, go to Agent Tools, then Macros. This opens the full macro management interface where you can view, search, filter, and edit every shared macro in your account. To create a new macro, click Add Macro at the top right. To edit an existing one, find it in the list, check the box next to its name, then click Edit. Either path leads to the same form where you'll find the Available For setting that controls group visibility. In the Available For section, open the drop-down and select Agents in Group. A new field appears where you can pick which groups get access. You can select multiple groups if needed. Any agent who belongs to at least one of those groups will be able to see and use the macro. Click Create for a new macro or Save for an existing one. The restriction takes effect immediately. To verify it worked, ask one agent inside the selected group and one agent outside the group to check their macro lists. That quick test will confirm the restriction is working before any customer is affected. Group restrictions have one significant gap. Agents who belong to multiple groups see macros from all of those groups, regardless of which type of ticket they're working on. Zendesk has no way to show macros based on ticket context or brand. For multi-brand operations with cross-trained agents, this is a real limitation that naming conventions alone cannot fully solve. Once restrictions are in place, keep your macro library clean with a few habits. Use the double colon naming syntax. A macro called billing2: refund request automatically appears under a billing folder in the agent interface. Filter by group every month to spot duplicates and outdated templates. On professional plans, usage stats show you which macros nobody's actually running. If you find yourself spending hours maintaining macros, there's a different approach worth considering. Eesel AI connects to Zendesk in one click, reads your past tickets and help center articles, and drafts context-aware responses automatically. There's no macro library to build or maintain. The AI adapts to each ticket individually, rather than inserting the same text every time. Ready to see what support looks like without a static macro library? Try Eesel AI free for 7 days at eesel.ai. No credit card required.